Buckward, buckward.
Hello, little friends. Today, we're going to learn about 10 amazing water birds that love to splash, swim, and dive. Are you ready to flap your wings and fly into the world of water birds? Let's go. This is a duck. Quack, quack. Ducks love swimming and have webbed feet to help them paddle in water. Aren't their little waddle walks the cutest? Meet the penguin. They can't fly, but they are amazing swimmers. They live in cold places and wear tuxedos all day. How cool is that? Say hello to the tall and pink flamingo. They love to stand on one leg and eat tiny creatures from the water. Their pink color comes from the food they eat. Here comes the beautiful swan. Swans are graceful birds with long necks. They glide like boats on the water and look like royalty. This tall bird is called a heron. IT stands very still and waits for fish to swim by, then snap. Dinner is served. This is a goose. They honk loudly and love swimming in lakes. Geese travel in groups and fly in a V shape in the sky. This little water bird is a coot. It has cute feet and loves to dive underwater. Coots are great swimmers and love living near ponds. Look at the colorful kingfisher. It sits on branches and dives super fast into water to catch fish. Zoom. Splash. Yum. This bird is called a teal. It's a type of duck with beautiful feathers. Teals are small but full of color and charm. And here's the funny little puffin. It's a seabird that swims like a fish and has a colorful beak. Puffins love the ocean and always look like they're smiling.